Wait. Normally, editing a video like this takes 5 hours. Cutting clips, syncing music, adding captions, it's exhausting. But what if I told you there's an AI tool that can turn raw footage into a viral-ready video in under 60 seconds? No editing skills, no expensive software. Just upload and the AI does the rest. Smart creators are quietly using this to pump out content and make $1,000 a month or more. Why do most creators fail on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram? Not bad ideas, it's editing. One video can take 3, 5, even 10 hours. Burnout hits fast. But this AI doesn't just edit, it thinks like an editor. It scans your video, finds the most engaging moments, removes dead space, and automatically adds captions, transitions, music, and visual effects. You focus on creating, the AI handles the rest. Watch this. I upload a raw vlog clip. No editing, shaky footage. I click Smart Cut. Boom!
In 15 seconds, it builds the layout, writes the content, and generates AI images.
Fully edited in under 3 minutes. Now, the money. If you're a freelancer, editing normally takes hours. With AI, you can finish 10 videos in the time it used to take for one. That's 10 times productivity, 10 times income potential. Even if you're a creator, consistency is key. More content leads to more views, leads to more subscribers, leads to more sponsorships. AI makes it possible to post consistently without burning out. The tool I'm using is v.io. 3 hidden features most people don't know. Auto subtitles. Captions boost watch time instantly. AI background remover. No green screen needed. Built-in stock library. Tons of B-roll, sound effects, and music. The content game has changed. Creators winning today aren't clicking the most buttons. They're using the smartest tools. AI lets you create faster, test more ideas, and grow faster. You already have the creativity. Now, you have the technology. Go create something amazing.